everyone, I hope you're all doing good. This is going to be a real quick walkthrough on a blanket vocal booth. It doesn't have to be elaborate. My noise floors are well below negative 70 decibels, so it doesn't have to be elaborate. I've got two real sound blankets. I think they were like $60, maybe $65 a piece. The PVC is 1-inch PVC. It's stable. I don't have any issues with it at all. It might have cost me maybe $70 for all of the PVC. So in total, I've got less than $200 in this whole build. But it doesn't have to be elaborate, and I have never, ever been denied or anybody said anything about my noise floors from this booth. It's short, sweet, simple. It's not rocket science, folks. Just do it. It's so simple and so cheap that everybody can do this. Anyway, clean takes, killer sound.